All right, guys, here you can see price open a little bit gap up, gap down, and after that price goes a little bit and price drop drastically. So morning around 9:30 a.m. So here you can see this area. I posted around 9:30 a.m. I told that Bank Nifty sell level given image. So I told we are looking for short basically in this level, or if price goes to this level and we are looking for short, but price not able to reach that level and exactly around this level 44088, that was our level. All right, that is Fibonacci, this is standard deviation level. So in that level we was looking for short. Let me show you here. Here you can see 44088 somewhere here. Have you seen it? And the price exactly hit that level and we start selling from this level. And even yesterday I told that we are looking for short only. And another, I have given this level Bank Nifty buy above 441, but price not able to reach that level. Okay, let me show you here most important thing, and then let me make a little bit bigger. Okay, and here I can see, and the first just a minute, and the first here I can see somewhere here price open this area. This is called mean line. All right, so I think you people know mean line, and this line 0.5 standard deviation line, and the price open somewhere there. Within 15 minutes price hit that level. All right, so after that what happened? And the first, so after that pullback again from a bullish candle, again hit, again price somewhere there, and finally price from a pin bar. This is called bullish pin bar or bearish pin bar, whatever, doesn't matter, color doesn't matter, you just think that is a pin bar. So what our trading strategy, suppose this is a bullish candle, just a minute, suppose this one a bullish candle goes up, bullish candle, after that this one also a bullish candle. All right, so later next candle what happened? Price open somewhere there and goes little bit and pull back and break this lower point, like they form like that. So where was the lower point? Here. So finally break this lower point. That is our selling opportunity. So exactly they form like that. Let me show you. All right. Just a minute. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Perfect. And let me zoom a little bit. Okay. Now you can see that was a bullish candle. So yesterday I told that we are looking for short. And the next candle also form a bullish candle. Another candle form a bullish pin bar. So it's a pin bar, but color is a bullish. So finally, price broke this next candle from a bearish candle. Price open somewhere and goes up a little bit, and then goes down and broke this lower point, this bullish pin bar. That was a pin bar. So finally, we entered somewhere here and we placed SL here. So in between this range, there was around, I think, 64 something. So it's a huge SL. So what exactly we did? So we just reduced the delta. So what is the mean? So let me explain the hack. Let me explain that is the rule. So let me hack that one. So means if somewhere here and the broke at that level, let's say 4400 is a 8 p.m. at the money. All right. So if that is at the money, if we buy put option, so means 100 rupees goes against us, so our SL will be near 50 rupees in our premium. So our premium will be almost 50 rupees. All right. So if I buy 30 delta put option, if price goes 100 rupees, so our premium will be 30. Does it make sense? All right. So that means once we have seen that level is almost 60 or 50, let me check it exactly what was my SL. So that was my lower point, and that was our premium, 62 rupees. So if I buy put option at the money, if price goes 100 rupees against me, my premium will decrease by 60 rupees. So that is why I bought 30 delta. So means once I buy 30 delta, if price goes 100 rupees against me, I lose 30 point premium. Have you made sense? All right, that is the important. So once my SL is more than 25 rupees in a premium, so I just extend, so I just reduce my delta. All right, so means I'm buying out of the money, OTM. So once I have seen that was the 60 rupees SL in a spot price, I bought 2 strike price out of the money, that was 30 delta. So means if price goes against me, I lose only 30 rupees. If price goes 100 rupees against me, 30 rupees. So 60 rupees, that will be around 20 rupees SL in my stock premium price. That is the important thing. All right. So after that, I can see, let me show you. So once I place my order, and price drop, again pull back, but next they form a bullish candle. So once from a bullish candle, I'm looking for buy. So next open somewhere there, and first price goes up, no pullback. So again here I can see price entire 15 minute was running a downtrend, or I can say in a downside. They're moving. The next candle opens somewhere there. So again, they confirm in a bearish trend. Again, goes up, but the price not able to break this higher point, and even my first SL is somewhere here above that candle. And next candle goes up, but price not able to break this level. All right. So my SL. So, but I'm not interested to take any buy position because just price below this 0.5 standard deviation. Next price open somewhere here. I was just thinking to close my position. Whatever I sold, no profit, no loss zone are there. So suddenly price drop and continue toward the downside. All right. So next here I can see, and the first that was a bullish candle form. Okay, so I was thinking to close my position after breaking this higher point, but the next candle again dropped, and I shifted my SL, again drop somewhere here. Let me show you here. So next in this candle triggered my SL somewhere here. All right, so next candle, let me show you here. Just a minute. Okay, perfect. Okay, so next candle, bullish candle, and in this candle I triggered my sell order. So I was just expecting to buy here. So finally again price drop and break this my standard deviation, that was 0.5 downside standard deviation. So again I use pullback trading strategy. Price close somewhere there and pull back little bit, again price drop drastically, and again I entered and I booked my profit somewhere here. So after that, and the price continued toward the downside, but I'm not interested to take any position. So I took only 2 positions somewhere here. So let me show you exactly where I entered. Okay. Mm, okay, perfect. So let me use this one. All right, and now here I can see. So first, just a minute. Okay, so first open somewhere there. There's a 1 minute chart open. Price goes up, pull back, goes up, and then here I can see in this area. And here I can see that was a pin bar, and the next candle somewhere here is a triggered my put buy option. So just let me remove this one. Uh, First here I entered my put buy and I kept my SL, that was 62 rupees SL, and the price goes down a little bit, again goes up, but not able to break this 0.5 standard deviation. All right, 5 standard deviation, and again after that price dropped drastically. Let me show you my standard deviation. So exactly here you can see where price open, that was 9:15, and price open around 439 43940. Let me put here 43940. So now you can see upper side 44088. Have you seen this one? 44088, and exactly I placed my 1.5 standard deviation 44088, this line. Have you seen this black line? So in that area I was looking for short. So why? Because morning I told that I'm just focusing on a sell side. Have you seen Bank Nifty sell level given image? So means here around 4408. So that is why I sold here. Okay. So who people doesn't know about your entry and exit point, you just follow my Instagram. So every day I'm uploading where to enter. So here you can see yesterday I was looking for buy, so exactly we bought. So previous here you can see I was looking for here you can see Bank Nifty buy level. I already given that one. My link already given below the description. Just go and uh, just join my Telegram. Let me explain for the tomorrow. So here you can see in a 30-minute chart, price almost near a 200 exponential moving average. If you now see in a daily time frame, even tomorrow I'm looking for short only. All right. So where are my buying levels? So my buying level is around 44100. If price break this 44100, so I'm interested to take buy side, but basically I'm looking for short. Why? Let me show you H1 chart. H1 chart 200 moving average is somewhere here. All right, around 4 to 800. There 200 exponential. It's a probability to pull back to this level. All right. So if you see in a small time frame 30 minutes, there are 200 exponential moving average exactly, but price here you can see previous market behavior, they're bouncing off 50 moving average, but already they broke this 50 moving average. So I'm expecting that it may pull back around 200 exponential moving average EMA, and the next target is 4 to 800. That is my next target, the probability to pull back. All right, so that is why I'm just focusing on a sell side to this level. All right, so tomorrow morning I'll update that which direction will take the position. All right, just upper side or it will be downside. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.